The second kind of quantity adjective that we are going to do is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity answers the question, how much? Okay? So, adjectives of quantity shows how much a thing is meant or intended. Okay. The second kind of adjective is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. And adjectives of quantity shows, an adjective of quantity shows an adjective of quantity shows how much a thing is meant, is how much a thing is meant or intended. Okay, so we are doing adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity shows how much a thing is intended, and adjectives of quantity answers the question, how much? So the sentences answer the question, how much? Then you know that is the adjective of quantity. And I have some examples for you to understand this. I want a whole banana. I want a whole banana. I want a whole banana. The boy ate enough chapatis. The boy ate enough. The boy ate enough chapatis. Ram has much money. Ram has much money. She had sufficient pencils. She had sufficient pencils. Half a cake is better than none. Half a cake is better than none. He did not eat any bread. He did not eat any bread. He wants some money. He wants some money. He wants some money. I have 7 sentences for you. An adjective is a word that's used to describe a noun or a pronoun. A noun or a pronoun. We are doing the second kind of adjective, that's the adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity shows how much a thing is meant or intended. How much. Now, adjective of quantity answers the question, how much? So all you need to remember is, it answers the question, how much? If it answers the question, how much, then you know it's an adjective of quantity. Let's look at the sentences I've given you. Okay? Now, I want a whole banana. What does it say? How much a thing is meant to in how much. It doesn't say, I want half a banana. I want a whole, full, no taking away. Whole, so how much? It answers the question, how much banana? Half a banana? Quarter? No, a whole banana. So whole says how much. The boy ate chapatis. How much? Enough chapatis. He ate enough. What his stomach could take in. How much? Enough. He ate enough. Ram has much money. Ram has money. How much money? Much. Lots full. Plenty. She had sufficient pencil. She's going to write a test. She has pencil. Yes. How much? She's got sufficient. Means more than she needs. Half a cake is better than none. Half a cake. Okay? A cake is better than none. How much of cake? You're given half, not full. So half is better than not having at all. Half. How much? Half a cake. He did not eat any bread. He did not eat bread. How much bread? Any. He didn't eat anything at all. None. He wants some money. He wants money. How much money? He wants some money. Give him some money. So we have words like whole, enough, much, sufficient, sufficient. Then we have half, any, some. All these answers the question how much. So adjectives of quality shows how much a thing is meant or intended. If the sentence answers the question how much, then we know that's an adjective of quantity. Words like whole, enough, much, sufficient, half, any, some. So when you look at these sentences, I want a whole banana. The boy ate enough chapatis. Ram has much money. She had sufficient pencils. Half a cake is better than none. He did not eat any bread. He wants some money. Adjectives of quality answers the question how much. Whole banana, enough chapati, much money, sufficient pencil, half a cake and some money.